Hello everyone, this is Hussein Nasser, ECE 4700, assignment number 3. Assignment number 3 is to create two robots, find the end effectors, and optimize the transformation between the two robots using the fmin search. Now let's start the code. As you can see, here's the create the two robots function. We have sliders to move robot number 1, store number 1 data, robot number 2, XYZ buttons to move number 2, and we have the end effector values will be displayed here for robot number 1 and here for robot number 2, and finally we will store all the data from both robots into a text file. On the right side we have the computer transformation matrix, and finally we will have the function for optimized transformation, which is the fmin search. Let's start by creating the robot. Here we have the two robots. Let's start moving robot number 1. Now let's move robot number 2. Let's get a better view, rotate this screen so we can see better where each robot is. The goal is to try to get them as close as possible so they can touch. Looks like we're a little bit off. Let's adjust that a little bit. So we try to get them as close as possible to each other. Here they look like they're close enough. Now let's store data for number 1. Store the data for robot number 2. As you can see here, the end effectors are shown. And let's store all this data into a text file. Now let's move the robot just a bit so we can get maybe a better position. Let's see if we're still on top of each other. Correct. Let's robots are still touching. As you can see, the robots are touching. Let's store this data again and save it. Here, as you can see, we can move here. This is the text file that I'm using, and after 10 steps like that and saving the data, this is what we get. We get a text file that has all 10 samples. I will be using only 8 out of the 10 samples, and once all the samples are stored, now we can run the optimized transformation, and the results are shown over here. This is the optimized result. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.